tonight. I'm trying to see them take it low tonight. Just see the judge getting shot in the light. They got them arguing over a new crack pipe. I call the seamstress, my pants ain't tight enough. None of my bitches tell me I'm not man enough. What the fuck wrong with these broke ass niggas? Yeah.
God damn. I'm trying to know where my hat went. Chill, bro. I got lights, bro. I'm trying to get a super, bro.
Hey, Ray, bring a little short ass outside, nigga. The kitchen with your ass.
Sit the bed, I know that he sick. Let me stab you with no scrap, but if you tell her you can keep it. Only for one night, I don't want your whole boy. We up on this scope, boy, and fierce, so you know my glizzy.
What's up, y'all? We checking this new store out real quick. So let's go. You know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for them yellow sicko shoes. I wouldn't get him, bro, but he got 33.
He said, I guess you know him did that.
I'm from BX, then I hold up like a crown. It was dark, then I came to the line. I was born and my dogs was fine.
What y'all want, man? Tricking today.
What you want, bro?
For real?
I don't care.
I just want some.
Heard about us. I see on Instagram.
I really just came to see what the spot look like, though, because I ain't here yet.
Shot though.
Clueless. What you think, Mar? What? This hat. I literally just bought one just like this though.
I'm a fashion figure, cabin for boy, you an action figure. Reaper the chain, I'm on blast the nigga. Tone of the title.
Get the chrome gloves. You know you get cold easy.
Ain't lie, I'm gonna regret the decision. We got Russian special for
My brand? Yeah. I'm not here, I ain't lie. I don't have a couple things in the crib though.
I need that thermal zip up.
I ain't got none of them hoes. I ain't gonna lie.
Like, make sure I'm
Hell no. I'm gonna pull up though. But yeah, I ain't got to do this shit. I'm about to order them tonight.
I'm about to say that's probably the only shit I need. But everybody else needs that shit more.
Nigga that went in the window shop. You was supposed to buy something for us. Nigga, fuck y'all. Fuck, nigga. Oh, what? Niggas ain't, you just said it was on you. What y'all wanted, bro? Y'all ain't tell me. Let's wait till after I drive. Buy her. You want them chrome gloves? I'll get you the chrome gloves.
Chrome gloves. I don't get cold.
You said you don't get cold. It's not about being cold. It's about swag.
You think Chrome Heart got condoms?
Sure. Chrome Heart condoms? Come on, bro. Things I do for niggas, bro.
Yeah. Sag a little bit. Punch. I like it. I was skinny, bro.
She got gone for swag with a Reiki. Don't like when I buy her shit. You don't want my money or she picky. But I'm happy I saw you today. I've been looking out to the city.
Shout out to my brother that made these paintings. bitch is overly baggy though, but like that's a swag. They got a little dirty to it. It's okay.
Yeah? I ain't gonna lie, bro. You do that shit? That shit over with.
Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Nigga stupid, bro.
Yeah, this man's
Slick. Man, oh man. I have nothing to say. Like, I don't vlog anymore, so I don't know how to talk to the camera naturally without saying some bullshit. You know how niggas be vlogging. I used to do that. I used to vlog all the time, say bullshit, and I watch it back and be like, this nigga lame as fuck.
no, you can't park here, right?
Pause, sweet.
Something, bro.
Bro, I'm so boring now. Like, I don't do this shit no more. I think I'm camera shy. He not though. Yeah.
Going on, bro.
We went like natural. I'm trying to get the best angle. Try to.
You go, stand that way. Face me.
Okay, he got a vision.
Straight. His ass, I'll shut my bitch ass up and never say that.
I swear to God, on my life, the black.
Nah, I've been asking for them shorts since we did that shoot, bro.
What shoot?
We did that shoot at the studio when we shot him and Don had him on.
Oh, when he was modeling? Yeah, that was like August.
That's all I'm asking, bro. I don't ask much, bro. You out here treating me like I'm a lame ass bitch or something.
I didn't place no order for him, so it's like I ain't want to get one. One costs more than 50 or 100 or 200. Like if I pay for one, I'm paying more than I'm selling it for.
Well, you should have said you was gonna get this shit then.
But I told y'all, they got it made. They just gonna ship it with my top of the gauge.
Nah, in case he spent that money on the yacht.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You better spend that shit on the yacht.
Step forward a little bit, like one leg off.
got everybody fooled. But me, I know the real you, bro. I know what walks around your house late at night. Why now he's trying to be serious?
This whole clip we shooting today is gonna be like 5 minutes of the vlog. Probably not even.
You got a voiceover, bro.
Oh, I gotta do a voiceover.
I ain't did anything, bro. You some crooked fool. You to the what? I thought we was cool, bro.
You gotta have like gay time. Wait,
No, you get annoyed, bro. What I do? I ain't do nothing, bro. I thought we just had a good time at the shoot. Hey, bro, auntie right there, bro. Yeah, bro. Like, what are you jumping for, bro? Like, I'm just trying to talk to you, bro.
no, bro.
I'm chilling, bro. You know what I'm trying to hear? You know what I'm trying to hear? Where is it? Where is it?
Bro, something's wrong with this nigga, bro.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Let's see. Now I feel like you trying to. I'll pass some lucky for this. Where is it? Where's Nasty Girl on camera?
No, fuck no. Fuck no.
Sounds good.
Lucky hit that bitch, bro. Wait, do that one more time.
Just get the fuck out of
One more time.
Down the strip, $500,000 whip. Like them. Only nigga.
I'm talking about in it.